In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export part of a video from CapCut for Windows or Mac. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I don't know why you may need to export part of an audio, but let's assume you want maybe for somebody to have a listen and maybe make corrections or even tell you what you could do better. Then that is something that you might be interested in. Now, what we're going to utilize here is the in and out points. So I'm going to click, let's say somewhere here, and say I want this particular clip to start about there. That is, I'm going to export. So I'm going to press on I to set an in point, and then I'm going to go up to somewhere like here and then press on O to set an out point. Now I'll go to export, and from the export option here, I'm going to uncheck this video and then click on export audio. And once I do that, you're going to see the duration is 22 seconds and the size. So you can set the format, MP3, WAV, or AAC, and let's assume you're satisfied with MP3. Just click on export. It's going to export. The audio is exported, and you can open the folder to review. But simply put, that is how you can export part of an audio in CapCut for Windows or Mac. I hope this tutorial is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.